Hoistas are considered the queen of the shade garden plants. Native to China, Japan, Korea, hoistas came to America via Europe in the 1800s and have become a mainstay in the flower garden ever since. The common name for hoista is plantain lily, for its large decorative leaves. Hoista is widely popular, and not only for its beauty and ability to thrive in shade, but also because it is easy to propagate. For shade gardens, there's no doubt that hoistas are one of the first plants to come to mind. However, Sun Hosta challenges that notion by performing at its best in the full sun and hot, humid conditions of the southeast. A medium-sized variegated hoista, Sun Hostas express their full white variegation only when exposed to full sun. Sun Hosta also has less cold requirement compared to the other hoista varieties. In summer climates of South Florida, Sun Hosta will remain vegetative even under the short days of the winter months. Easily grown in evenly moist, organically rich, well-drained soils, impart shade to full sun. Established, have some tolerance for dry shade, but soil should never be allowed to dry out. Full size and quality form are best achieved with consistent moisture. Spring flowering companion plants for hoistas include allium, geraniums, daffodils, spurges, Solomon seal, and more. A mainstay of the shade garden, this small to medium hoista can be mixed with other perennials in the border or woodland garden, used as an edging plant or mass and divided to create a dense ground cover.